Good Friday morning. Happy Friday. It's a fantastic looking weekend outlook we have. We've been talking about this for days, and here it is. We're on the precipice of reaching into what looks to be the most beautiful weekend of 2020 so far. We've had a whole slew of really decent weekends in recent memory. We've had some 30s, some 40s, some sun. Each of the, I think the last 4 weekends, we've managed to have the best weather of the entire week, all occurring on Saturday and Sunday. And once again, it seems impossible to imagine, but here we go. We're going to do it again. Today, we start that off with a tremendous Friday, nice mellow day after that raw weather we had on Thursday. Here's a look outside starting this morning with our Lewiston Auto camera from the studio, looking into the west right now. And again, looking at a quiet picture with a diminishing breeze, 21 degrees in Rochester, winds 10 miles per hour. Sunny skies in Lake City as well. Temperatures there in the 20s. We're on our way to eventually the upper 30s as we move along for our Friday, which is actually at or above the seasonal average. 21 in Rochester now. Winds 10 miles per hour. It feels like 10, so definitely a colder bite to that breeze, but it's dropping as we speak. Wind chill levels across the map, mainly in the teens, which is not too strange for this time of the morning. But again, keep in mind the temperatures are going to climb nicely into the upper 30s. There you see it in the day planner. 37 by mid-afternoon. Winds only around 5 or 6 miles per hour by this afternoon, so not much wind chill impact. In fact, at one point the wind chill might be above freezing. I think it'll be fairly mid-afternoon and late afternoon. It'll be fairly late in the day before that happens, but it'd be nice to have a less of a breeze. Skies are clear. High pressure coming in, doing its job, bringing us some bright, quiet weather. There is a warm front to the west. That's going to come in for the weekend. And ahead of that, we're going to see those winds already picking up. That's going to happen tonight. As you look at this bar graph, looking at temperatures, this meteorogram, going up to 30s late in the day and then dipping to the 20s initially, then climbing late. Temperatures actually will begin to climb before sunrise tomorrow. So a bright and cool day today. Tomorrow, windier. We expect that to be the case over the weekend. So, yeah, it's going to be a very mild weekend. The sun will be great, but keep in mind it's going to be pretty windy. So that's one thing you have to consider. If you have plans that are maybe impacted by wind, adversely impacted anyway, you might have an issue with that. You're going to have to deal with a little bit of that, unfortunately. But it's going to be a very mild weekend because of those winds, drawing in that warmer air and abundant sunshine. So we're going to melt things down. Tomorrow, melting, staying above freezing tomorrow night. That's going to continue the melting process. In fact, it's possible that by sunrise tomorrow we'll be above freezing, and we may not be below freezing again until early Tuesday of next week. Right now, high pressure brings a quiet day, a light breeze in the midday hours. By afternoon, a very light south wind, around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gustier tonight, around 20 miles per hour. Not extremely windy, but that's going to help temperatures climb late in the night. And then for tomorrow, there are the winds up to 30 miles per hour through 9 a.m. all the way into the evening hours, and remaining rather breezy for tomorrow night as temperatures stay close to 40. In fact, 40s for most of the night. And then Sunday morning, here's that warm front coming in. Behind that warm front, we're really tap into the warmth, and as we melt more snow, that's going to accelerate the warming process. So close to 60 by Sunday afternoon, but a rather windy day. And again, rain chances develop on Monday as a cold front approaches from the northwest. You knew there would be one eventually. 37 in Rochester today, 40 in Mesa City. Winds from the north, then the south, only around 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, breezier, winds at times 20 miles per hour, especially late in the night. Temperatures climbing to the low 30s by sunrise tomorrow. And then mostly sunny skies, windy and warm, wind up to 30 miles per hour. So kind of a windy Saturday, but a high of 50. And I think we can handle that. Outlook for the next several days, above the seasonal average. 38 by the end of next week would be typical. We're going to blow right past that and have pretty much every day next week, especially without the snowpack or very little of that remaining. That will help things stay mild, even as things get a little more unsettled. Rain on Monday, especially early in the day and early afternoon. And then Tuesday evening, a chance of rain. That will change to light snow early Wednesday. At this point, does not look like a big snowmaker. Maybe minor coating. Of course, we'll know more when we get closer. Otherwise, we'll stay in the 40s, and it may carry us right into next weekend and perhaps even a St. Patrick's Day before we see any type of changes. And right now, I'm not seeing anything colder than the 40s in the coming days. And the weekend itself looks fantastic with those readings, mainly in the 50s. So there we go with our graphics here bouncing around. But yeah, back to me here in the studio, behind the scenes look behind our set here at KTTC Fox 47 here at the Weather Authority. And hopefully you have a great Friday. Enjoy the tranquil sunshine sunshine, and the balmy April-like weekend. Those temperatures low and mid 50s and upper 50s, in fact, more typical of early April. And some spots without snow on the ground may make it into the 60s as they'll warm up more quickly on Sunday. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you right back here on Monday.